Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. So in today's video, I have 7 5 off 25 scenarios for this Saturday, April the 24th at Dollar General, and they're pretty much all low out-of-pocket deals. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you've missed my last few videos that I've uploaded, I'm going to put a list in a pinned comment down below. There are some awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week, so you do not want to miss out. And I'm also doing a PNG insert giveaway this week, so make sure that you check out my last video and make sure that you are entered to win. So you all know the deal. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, please take a second and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So, as a quick disclaimer, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that we have going on can end at any time, so you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach before you go up to checkout. Also, you want to scan each item to price check because prices do vary from store to store, and 10-cent difference can ruin your 5 off 25 deals. Now, I also want to say before we get into the scenarios that I didn't have time to upload pictures of all of the coupons and include those in this video, but the majority of them we have covered in this week's video. So a lot of you guys have already seen the coupons and you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, just leave me a comment down below and I will be happy to help. So for this first scenario, this is a household deal. You want to pick up one of these Scott 6-count bath tissue for $3, one of the Pine Sol 48-ounce for $3, 2 of the Pinoline 1 liters for $2. They are $1 each. 2 of the Purell hand sanitizers. So they are on sale, buy one, get one for free. So you're only going to count $3 toward this transaction. Then you want to pick up the Tide Simply Pods 13-count for $2.95, one of the Swiffer Duster starter kits for $4.50, one of the Tylenol 24-count for $4, one Rexall Vitamin D3 for $2, and 2 of the Welch's Fruit Snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $25.13. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, 50 cents off one Scott bath tissue, 35 cents off one Pine Sol, 125 off 2 Pinoline, 1 off 1 Purell, 2 off 1 Tide, 3 off 1 Swiffer product, 2 off 1 Tylenol, 1 off 1 Rexall vitamins, and 1 off 2 Welch's Fruit Snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.03 for 12 items, or just 67 cents each. But it gets even better because we do have a 50-cent rebate back on Ibotta for the Pine Sol. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back. That will make your final price $7.53 for 12 items, or just 57 cents each. And if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I highly recommend you go and check it out. In the description box below, I have a video link for how to sign up and use Ibotta. So go click on that link if you're not signed up, check it out and see what it's all about. They do have a $20 welcome bonus, and if you use my referral code, which is on the screen here as well as in the description box below, you will become a part of my team and we can start earning rebates together. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, this is a personal care deal. You want to pick up one of the Aveeno lotion 5 ounces for $4.75, one Suave lotion for $8.95, one Dial body wash for $2.75, one Schick Classic razors for $4.50, one of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4.50, one of the Aveeno face wipes 25-count for $4.05, and 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. Your subtotal will be $27. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So you'll need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Aveeno lotion, 50 cents off 1 Suave, 1 off 1 Dial body wash, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, 2 off 1 Aveeno face wipes, and the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $4.50 for 9 items, or about 50 cents each. So for this next deal, this is kind of an alternative personal care deal. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Dial body washes for $2.75, one of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners for $3, one of the Garnier Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners for $3.50, one of the Schick Classic razors for $4.50, one Skintimate shave gel for $3, one Maybelline eye pencils 2-pack for $3.25, 3 of the Pantene travel size for $4.50, and 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $25.18. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Dial body wash, 2 off 6 Garnier products, that's a DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Garnier Fructis, 1 off 1 Garnier Whole Blends, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 1 off 1 Skintimate shave gel, 2 off 1 Maybelline product, and the 5 off 3 Pantene, and the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.18 for 11 items, or just 28 cents each. But it gets even better because you can submit your receipt to the pngoodeveryday.com website and you'll earn 250 points towards a gift card. Alright, so this next scenario is going to include some insert coupons and the instant savings deal on the Dial. So we are instantly saving $2 when you spend $7 on Dial products. And I covered this in one of my previous videos. So if you need more information, go and check that out. So for this one, we're going to pick up 3 of the Dial body washes for $8.25. They are $2.75 each. So for this deal, I wanted to include the Dial Instant Savings deal. So we have an instant savings when you spend $7, you will instantly save $2 at the register. And we're also going to be using some insert coupons with this one as well. So for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Dial body washes for $8.25, 1 of the Snuggle 40 count dryer sheets for $2, 2 of the Purell hand sanitizers for $3. They are buy one get one free. 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $6. They are $2 each. 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50, and 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents. That is going to put your subtotal at $27.38. Now, like I said, this is an instant savings deal. So the $2 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register, and our new subtotal needs to be at least $25 or more. So after that $2 comes off, our new subtotal will be $25.38. So for this scenario, here are the coupons that you need. You're going to need 3 of the 1 off 1 Dial insert coupons from the 418 save. Now we do have 1 in digital form, so you can do 1 digital and 2 of the insert coupons. And I think we also have the same coupon on the coupons.com app. So it's possible that you can use a digital, use the coupons.com app, and then use an insert coupon. Also from the 418 save insert, you're going to need the 1 off 1 Snuggle. Then we're going to do all digitals from here on out. So 1 off 1 Purell, 2 off 1 Tide, 5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B products, the 5 off 3 Pantene, and the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.38 for 15 items, or just 15 cents each. So how awesome is that deal, you guys? Alright, so it just keeps getting even better. So here is a low out-of-pocket deal. For this one, you want to pick up 4 of the Pinoline 1 liters for $4. They are $1 each. 1 of the Pine Sol 28 ounce for $2. 1 of the Schick Classic razors for $4.50. 1 Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95. 1 of the Swiffer Duster starter kits for $4.50. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $1.65. 1 Oops All Berries cereal for $1. 1 of the Suave deodorant 1.4 ounce for $1. 3 of the Pantene travel size for $4.50, and 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $25.42. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, your 5 off 25, 2 of the 125 off 2 Pinoline, 35 cents off 1 Pine Sol, 3 off 1 Schick razors, 2 off 1 Tide, 3 off 1 Swiffer, and if you don't have the 3 off 1, you can always substitute something else for the Swiffer Duster starter kits. We have Maybelline eye products, we have CoverGirl, all kinds of good deals. Just go back and check out my previous videos if you need more ideas. So 3 off 1 Swiffer, 150 off 1 Airwick product, 75 cents off 1 Quaker cereal, 50 cents off 1 Suave, 5 off 3 Pantene, and 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just 82 cents. So 16 items for under $1. That is going to put each item at just 5 cents each. So how awesome is that? I am super excited because I still have a lot of these coupons on one of my accounts. Alright guys, so earlier in the week whenever I told you about this Gillette glitch deal, I told you guys to save at least one account for Saturday, so maybe you could get a really super low out-of-pocket deal. So hopefully you've done that. As of today, Friday, this glitch is still working, so you can do this deal tomorrow on Saturday. So for this first Gillette deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gillette Mach 3 4-count refills for $19.90 and 2 of the Crest toothpaste for $4. They are $2 each. That is going to put your subtotal at $25.90. The coupons that you're going to use is the 5 off 25, the buy one get one free Gillette, the 4 off 1 Gillette, the 3 off 1 Gillette, and the 3 off 2 Crest. Your subtotal after coupons will be just 95 cents for 4 items, or just 23 cents each. So you're going from $26 pretty much all the way down to $1 for all of those Gillette refills. That is an awesome deal. Now, if the glitch does get fixed, I will make a post in the community tab. I just realized that rhymed. So if you all find out and you haven't seen me post about it in the community tab, please leave a comment under one of my videos and let me know that it is a dead deal so that I can let everyone else know as well. So as of right now, like I said, Friday, we are still good to go on this glitch. So for our last and final scenario, this is another Gillette deal that you can do. You want to pick up 2 of the Gillette Mach 3 4-count refills for $19.90, 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13-count for $2.95, 1 of the Dial body washes for $2.75, and 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos and conditioners for $4.50. That is going to put your subtotal at $30.10. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, your 5 off 25, the buy one get one free Gillette, the 4 off 1 Gillette, the 3 off 1 Gillette. Now, if you don't have those 2 coupons, but you have the 6 off 2 Gillette, you can still do this deal. You will just pay $1 more, and that's still an awesome deal. So, then you're going to need the 2 off 1 Tide, the 1 off 1 Dial body wash, and the 5 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be 15 cents for all 7 items, or just 2 cents each. So that is pretty amazing, guys. I cannot believe that this glitch is still working. So let's all cross our fingers and hope that we can get some good deals tomorrow. Then also don't forget you can scan your receipt into the P&G Good website and you will earn 250 points on this scenario. Now, I also wanted to remind everyone, do not forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app, because I know we have like Cottonelle and Scott deals going on right now, and there are Scott and Cottonelle deals on Fetch Rewards. So, if you are out picking up some TP this week, do not forget about that Fetch Rewards program. Now, if you're not already signed up, I highly recommend this for new couponers, especially. This is the easiest rebate app out there. You don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account or anything like that. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you've purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you guys are not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here, and you will receive a free 2,000 points for using it, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you all good luck with your 5 off 25 scenarios. Now, if you need more ideas, like I said, I've posted quite a few videos this week, so go and check those out. I'll have all of those linked in a pinned comment down below. Now, before you go, you guys know the drill. Please make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, please hit that thumbs up button. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow, and we are almost to 10,000 subscribers, guys, so that is a huge milestone. So hit that thumbs up button and help me get there. Also, if you guys have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, you all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also, please take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have an amazing day today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.